Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to show you the finishing touches on the Sentinel HR120. The first task I'm going to show you is inserting the screen into the window. The springs on one side of the screen will fit into the meeting rail. We'll set that side in first, we'll push, and it will lock in to the jamb. The screen should fit inside this lip of the jamb. Here's the fastener cover that's going to fit into the jamb of the window. It's cut out on both top and bottom. The smaller cutout is for the top. You'll set it to the top of the window, and using your thumb, you'll be able to snap it into the jamb. The next step is to push your sash stop up against the jamb. If your egress lock is not centered, you can unlock and open your sash, and then slide it into the correct position. To recap, I'm now showing you the finishing touches on the Sentinel HR120. In the next video, I'm going to show you the services you can perform on this window.